Award-winning actress BIMBO ADEMOYE pulled up serving attitude, class and full-on fashion hits. She wore a black leather shirt, feathered miniskirt, LV purse, cap sitting pretty, legs for days. One said, "You can't be this fine and funny." Another said, "It's giving billionaire baddie." And the comments were pure love, no ring, no rumors, just a queen flexing her confidence. Bimbo's dressing is saying one thing: fashion can be soft and still fierce. Guys, follow for more jaw-dropping celebrity moments like this. Bye!